One thing you'll be using in your job search is job aggregators and job boards. And they're a little bit different. They're going to be similar, but they're very different in how they operate. So it's important to understand the difference between them. And that's what we're going to cover in this lesson real briefly, is the difference between job aggregators and job boards. The next couple lessons will give you some examples and some highlights as far as which ones to use, which ones might be better for you with these different types of aggregators or boards. So first, let's learn about, well, what is the difference and what is a job aggregator or job board and what is the difference? So job aggregators, they kind of act like Google's search engine, right? They're crawling hundreds and thousands of sites to find open job listings and displaying them as results or query results using an algorithm to determine which appears first. So they're like, you might have heard of like Indeed. We're going to talk a little bit about LinkedIn. Those are the type of things that when you're searching for a job, you put in some search criteria, and they'll be going to individual company websites. They'll be going to job boards. They'll go to all sorts of different places and kind of pull these different types of things that are available all together. And so that's what an aggregator, like that search. Now, a job board is where companies will post jobs. Specifically, jobs are posted on these job boards on the behalf of companies, and the companies come to them looking to advertise jobs online. You might have heard of Monster, Career Builder. There's other examples of that too. So a job board is where somebody's like, I'm going to post my job on this job board, where a job aggregator is something that's searching all these different boards and all these different websites looking for jobs. And so it's they kind of work together that way, but they are different. Aggregators are really great because they search everywhere, but there's some niche parts of job boards that might work for you. And so when we get to that lesson coming up, a job board, looking at those job boards might be important for you. And with both of them, you might have the ability to upload documents, like upload your resume or post yourself. So with aggregators and boards, employers can find you as well, in addition to you using these tools to find jobs specifically. So let's look at, to really understand this, let's look at the next two lessons. We'll look at what are some examples of some key job aggregators and which you want to use and need to be on, and the same thing with job boards that you might want to take advantage of, and then how to kind of design things around that will be coming up too as well.